This video will show you how to fix screen tearing when watching full-screen videos in Google Chrome. Select the address bar and type chrome://flags, then press Enter. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Search for smooth scrolling. Disable smooth scrolling via the drop menu on the right. Close all instances of Google Chrome, then relaunch the application. If the issue isn't resolved and you're using an Nvidia graphics card, then there is another possible cause. Right-click on your desktop and open the Nvidia control panel. Choose Manage 3D Settings from the left panel. Make sure that you're on Global Settings. Scroll down until you find Vertical Sync. Turn on Vertical Sync or set it to use 3D application settings. Apply if necessary and close. Your screen tearing issues should now be fixed.